Have you ever classified waste?
Yes, I have.
No. You know that nowadays rush hour and I don't have time to do that.
I separate the garbage sometimes when I see the clear signs of the kind of the garbage. But uh, but if it's not clear enough, so I don't separate it.
Yes, I separate them into a file that have on the garbage.
That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay.
Do you know symbols that appear on each types of bin? And if you know, what is the symbols that you know?
I don't know what the symbols are, but I classify the waste by read the text on the bin.
If you ask me at this time, I would say no, but when I at the garbage bin, I just read at the bin.
I know almost all of the symbol signs of the kind of the garbage, but when I see some signs that is too complicated, so I can separate them into the right kind of the garbage.
Yes, I know some symbol on the garbage, like dangerous garbage.
I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say.
If we don't classify the waste, what will affect on our life?
If we don't classify the waste, it will be hard for the government to keep the waste, and it will lead to too much waste problems.
If we not separate the garbage right now, it will mess up together and in the future will cause pollution.
I think it's quite dangerous when you don't separate the garbage because some substance can be put together such as a spray and a fire. When you don't know that this bag of the garbage has a spray in it and you put it near the fire, so it causes something dangerous to you.
I think sometimes it may be dangerous garbage that you put together with another, and it can be exposed or harm people.
Nice to meet you. Where you been? I could show you incredible things.
So now we will inform you about the type of waste and the signs.
New money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine.
1. Compostable waste is the waste that can be composed. Example, food, vegetable, and food peel. This type we have to put in green bin. Number 2. Recycle waste is the waste that we can reuse when it has been processed by recycling. Example, glass, plastic, metal, and paper. So this type we have to put in yellow bin. Number 3. General waste is the waste that we can reuse. Example, candy bag, snack bag, and foam. So this type we have to put in blue bin. Number 4. Hazardous waste is the waste that pollute the environment. Example, battery, fluorescent, spray can, and wire. This type we have to put in red bin.
Funny rumors fly, and I know you.
Other separating waste. For the compostable waste from the green bin, the waste will be changed to fertilizer or landfill in the correct way. For the recyclable waste from yellow bin, the waste will be reused by passing recycle process. For the general waste from blue bin, the waste will be passed the burning process with high temperature. For the hazardous waste from red bin, some will be reused or reclaimed, especially car battery and fluorescent. Others will be passed the stabilization process before landfill methodically, or past the burning process with high temperature.
So it's gonna be
decrease amount of the waste by divide the useful part from the real waste. So the waste that would be in eradication process would be less. Second, to save the budget from eradicating the waste. Third, to decrease the energy resource consumption. Example, plastic, glasses, paper, and metals. These could be recycling. And last, to help the environment and reduce the earth pollution.
We need to separate our garbage because in that simple way, we can help our society to reduce our global warming.
People in this planet are the reason why we suffer all this day. So we also aspire to solve it. By recycling and reducing the footprint of the landfills, we are taking better care of the environment and earth we live on.